How to explode your real estate business in Australia with videos using Fliki. Are you a real estate agent in Australia struggling to stand out? Want to attract more clients and close more deals? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of video using a simple tool called Fliki to absolutely explode your real estate business. Welcome. If you're searching for how to grow your real estate business in Australia with videos, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything from creating engaging property tours to building your brand authority, all using the power of Fliki. Many agents are also looking for information on Real Estate Video Marketing Australia, best video editing software for real estate, and affordable real estate video creation. We'll touch on all of these aspects and show you how Fliki can be your secret weapon. Why video is essential for Australian real estate agents. Let's face it, the Australian real estate market is competitive. Video is no longer optional, it's essential. Think about it. Potential buyers are online, searching for properties. Video allows you to showcase properties in a way that photos simply can't. Video builds trust, establishes your expertise, and dramatically increases your reach. It's the most engaging way to connect with potential clients and turn them into loyal customers. If you're already seeing the potential, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more real estate marketing tips. Fliki, your secret weapon for easy video creation. Fliki is a game changer. It's a text-to-speech and video creation platform that makes creating professional quality videos incredibly easy, even if you have zero video editing experience. You can turn blog posts into engaging videos, create stunning property tours with voiceovers, and even generate social media snippets to promote your listings. The best part? It's incredibly affordable, especially compared to hiring a professional videographer for every property. Creating engaging property tours with Fliki. Let's walk through creating a property tour. First, gather your photos and video clips of the property. Then, upload them to Fliki. Next, write a compelling script highlighting the key features of the property. Use Fliki's text-to-speech feature to create a professional-sounding voiceover. You can even choose from a variety of Australian accents. Finally, add background music and transitions to create a polished and engaging property tour that will captivate potential buyers. Building your brand with Fliki videos. Video isn't just about property tours. It's also about building your brand. Use Fliki to create videos showcasing your expertise, sharing client testimonials, and highlighting your involvement in the local community. Create a consistent brand identity with branded intro and outro sequences. This will help you establish yourself as a trusted and knowledgeable real estate agent in your area. Finding this helpful? Share this video with your fellow real estate agents. Optimizing your videos for YouTube and Google. Creating great videos is only half the battle. You also need to optimize them for search. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. Research what people are searching for related to real estate in your area. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find the best keywords to target. Promote your videos on social media and embed them on your website to increase their visibility. What's your biggest challenge with video marketing right now? Let me know in the comments below. Video marketing is a powerful tool for Australian real estate agents. With Fliki, you can create professional quality videos quickly and easily without breaking the bank. Ready to take your real estate business to the next level? Click the link in the description below to sign up for a free trial of Fliki. Start creating videos today and watch your business grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate marketing tips and strategies. We'll see you in the next video.